Welcome back, Bears.
I'm Ren.
Summer.
I'm Jay.
Robin.
DJ.
I'm Aiden.
I'm Jacob.
I'm Vladimir.
I'm Haley. I'm Lucas. I'm Green.
I'm Tunin. I'm Gabriel.
I'm Henry.
I'm D.
I'm Diego.
I'm Landon.
I'm James. I'm Marquis.
I'm Zachary.
I'm Brandon Bickle.
I'm Lincoln.
I'm Kyrie.
I'm Uriah.
I'm Daniel.
I'm Annalise.
Reporting from the BTV studio.
Thursday fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, just bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, I'll lay your ship bare. See how I feel every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do.
Welcome back, Bears. I'm Brody, reporting from the BTV studio. Today is Friday, October 15th, and it's National Bosses Day. Have a great day, Dr. Trimble. Let's take a quick look at today in history. On October 15th, 1924, President Calvin Coolidge used his authority under the Antiquities Act to declare the Statue of Liberty a national monument. It was a gift from the people of France to the United States and is recognized as a universal symbol of freedom and democracy. If interested in joining the Brennan Bowling team, come out to the NISD Bowling Recruiting Day tomorrow from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. at Bandera Bowl, located at 6700 Huebner Road. Meet head coach Rachel Toney and find out about the upcoming season. You can also bowl with your friends for $5. If you have any questions, please see math teacher Brian Silva in C217. Did you buy your Homecoming 2021 tickets during lunch today? If not, you can buy them on Monday, October 18th, Wednesday, October 20th, or Friday, October 22nd. The dance is October 23rd from 7:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. in the cafeteria. The theme is Be Our Guest. Bears, you can now officially campaign for Homecoming Court. Look for all the nominees on the Student Council Twitter page. Search for Bears_Stuco. Nominees include Vanessa Vingochet, Sydney McMullen, and Carolyn Niravong for Homecoming Queen, and Derek Hogan, Santiago Cruz, and Alessandro Espinosa for Homecoming King. Nominees will need to have posters approved by Associate Principal Joshua Hall before they are posted on the wall. You can have until October 18th to campaign. Voting opens October 19th at 8 a.m. and closes October 21st at 5 p.m. Good luck to all of you. If you plan on bringing a guest from another high school, you'll need to submit a guest form. You can pick one up in the VPO office. The completed form is due October 20th. Be sure to get out and cheer on our undefeated Bears football team tonight at 7 p.m. at Ferris Stadium as they take on the O'Connor Panthers. Also, get out and support the aquatics team in their yearly rivalry meet against Harlan. They will also compete against Taft tonight at the George Block Aquatic Center at 6 p.m. Congrats to our BMB for placing first in their class at the U.S. Bands competition last weekend. Tomorrow, they will compete at the UIL marching contest at Ferris Stadium to see if they advance to the area competition. March on, BMB. Congrats to Kayla Lyons for finishing second overall in the girls division at the 29-6A district meet this past Tuesday. She advanced to the regional cross-country meet in Corpus Christi, which will be in 2 weeks. And finally, Bears administrators and teachers continue to remind everyone to keep traffic moving in the hallways. They advise you to use the walk and talk method to get to class on time. Let's avoid clogging up the hallways. Well, this is all I have for today. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. If you have any announcements for BTV, please email Mr. Cerna at fernando.cerna@nasd.net. I'm Brody, signing off from BTV. Have a great day and a fantastic weekend, Bears. Keep a positive mindset and stay engaged in your learning.
This is a BTV production.